American Academy of Facial Aesthetics, other known as AAFE, is a multidisciplinary professional aesthetic organization. Are you an uprising non-surgical professional that is having trouble in a possibly overcrowded class and losing that one-on-one time with your mentors? Well, AAFE can get you that smaller classroom feel as well as that one-on-one training help through online and in-class courses. AAFE is a training course for physicians, dentists, and medical professionals that brings lots of attention to uprising non-surgical professionals. Many that try to pursue non-surgical practices and go into the field go to very expensive schools and may not get the attention that they need to succeed. But with classes through the AAFE organization, they strive to help students prosper to the best of their abilities. They are highly qualified professionals that have extreme knowledge in what they are teaching. They have trained over 16,000 dental and medical professionals and are specialized in live patent training courses. AAFE offers a one-year plan with 3 different memberships that include a variety of things in each package. As well as signing up now, you could get $1,000, $1,500, or $2,000 off with a limited special going on now. Become a 2020 member today by going to the website www.facialaesthetics.org and signing up. American Academy of Facial Aesthetics, looking to help you with your future.